Bitcoin transfers between Coinbase and Cash App are fully supported using Bitcoin wallet addresses. This process involves three main steps that we'll walk through together. Step 1. Get your Cash App Bitcoin address. Open Cash App and navigate to the Bitcoin section. Select Deposit Bitcoin to find your unique Bitcoin wallet address. Copy this address carefully as you'll need it for the transfer. You'll see a form like this with your Bitcoin address and QR code. The address is a long string of letters and numbers that uniquely identifies your Cash App Bitcoin wallet. Step 2. Send Bitcoin from Coinbase. Open your Coinbase app and navigate to your Bitcoin wallet. Select the Send option, then paste the Cash App Bitcoin address you copied in Step 1. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Important note, Coinbase typically requires a minimum transfer amount of $1 to $2 worth of Bitcoin. Make sure your transfer meets this requirement. Step 3. Verify and confirm your transfer. Review all transfer details, including the amount and network fees. You'll need to confirm the transaction using two-factor authentication. Enter the verification code from your phone to complete the transfer. After confirmation, you'll see a screen like this showing your transaction is being processed. The Bitcoin network will confirm your transaction, which typically takes 10 to 60 minutes. Before we finish, here are critical safety tips. Always double-check the wallet address character by character to avoid sending Bitcoin to the wrong address. For large transfers, consider sending a small test amount first. Keep records of all transactions and never share your private keys or seed phrases with anyone. That completes the step-by-step process for transferring Bitcoin from Coinbase to Cash App. Remember, get your Cash App address, send from Coinbase with verification, and always prioritize security in your transfers. Optimizing your Bitcoin transfers can significantly reduce costs and improve efficiency. The key is understanding network congestion and utilizing advanced features like the Lightning Network. The Lightning Network represents a major breakthrough in Bitcoin transaction efficiency. This Layer 2 solution can reduce fees by up to 90% compared to standard Bitcoin transactions. Security should be your top priority when transferring Bitcoin. Both Coinbase and Cash App offer multiple layers of protection, but you must actively enable and use these features. Always use test transactions when transferring large amounts. Send a small amount first to verify the wallet address is correct. Then proceed with the full transfer once confirmed. Regulatory compliance has become increasingly important in cryptocurrency transfers. Both platforms now implement stricter Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering requirements. Stay informed about platform policy changes and regulatory updates. Both Coinbase and Cash App regularly update their terms of service and compliance requirements to meet evolving regulations. By following these optimization and security practices, you can ensure safe, cost-effective Bitcoin transfers between Coinbase and Cash App while maintaining full regulatory compliance.